All right, it's time to look good and feel great. Most of us do want to look as young as possible, and Refirm Skin tightening promises to make us look refreshed. Now, I just got to see the results a few minutes ago, and you're going to be surprised. We have Dr. Michael Hynes. He's a plastic surgeon. Nan Martin, who you'll meet in just a second. She's a skincare specialist. And then our patient, Joyce Rainey. All of you, welcome today. All right, let's first get everybody up to date. Lasers seem to be the it thing lately when it comes to beauty in many different ways. You're focusing specifically on wrinkles and creases in the face. What is and how does this work?
This works differently than the laser. The laser is very effective for skin tightening. The problem with the laser, erbium or carbon dioxide, is downtime. If I do a erbium laser on your face, you're going to be out of commission for 10 days.
Okay.
Many people don't want that. The beauty of the Syneron system is it's very effective and no downtime whatsoever.
What's the difference? Is this a laser itself, or is it something different than a laser?
This is different than a laser. This is a combination of bipolar radio frequency, which is heat, and infrared light. And the previous competing technologies like Thermage and Cutera had some of these elements, but Syneron is the first to combine both these modalities into one machine.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and let Nan get started for us today. I noticed a gel. I've seen many of times when we've had anything like this in, the gel is for protection, correct?
That is correct.
Okay.
It also helps put the infrared light and the radio frequency through safely.
Okay, how exactly is it doing this? Because we're going to show kind of both sides of our patient's face today. How is it that one side looks so much softer and one side looks so much younger, and the lines have pretty much disappeared?
Well, the technology here is so great because the previous problem has been depth of penetration. You actually have to get this heat into the skin. Other technologies only get the heat in to approximately 2 millimeters. This will go to 4 to 5 millimeters. And what that does, it does two things. Number one, it forces you to make new collagen, and even better, as we go deeper, it takes the collagen you have and makes it contract and shrink, and that's the way you get an immediate effect. So we get an immediate effect on wrinkles and a long-term effect on wrinkles, and it's totally safe and it doesn't hurt.
Okay. I see rubber gloves. I see a system that I'm probably going to need to make sure I find an expert for. So if I'm going to go out and look for this type of treatment on my face, what are some questions and background about my physician should I learn about?
Well, number one, they should always be board-certified plastic surgeons. And the other thing that's extremely important is experience. I've been doing this for 25 years. I've done thousands of cases. Those are the kind of questions you ask.
Okay, we're going to show some before and after pictures, and then when we come back, I actually want you to take a look at both sides of our patient's face today, because it amazed me just looking at them. Before and after, a lot of people pretty happy with this. I was reading that almost 7 out of 8 people seemed to really see a difference and be very satisfied with the results of this. The lines just seem to disappear, which is amazing. The places we can use this, that we can get treatments on.
You can use this on the face. You can use it to tighten the neck. We have a new machine coming, a new head that you can tighten the upper arms. You can use it on the tummy. It has an unbelievable amount of applications. If you have a wrinkle, we can treat it.
Anybody who should not get this treatment done?
No, it's safe for all skin types, and that's the beauty of it.
And then the price?
Price for a treatment such as Joyce is going through is approximately $1,500.
Okay. I actually want, Nan, if you can stop doing treatments, I want Joyce to, if they can get a camera directly on her face and kind of zoom in. I know you have no makeup on, and this is going to seem a little scary for you, but I'd like people just to see the difference on both sides of your faces. You had a treatment that they did a little bit more extensive on Monday on the right side of your face compared to the left side of your face. I think this is amazing. If somebody is interested in this information or this procedure, you just need to contact a doctor of your choice, again, a plastic surgeon, or you can contact Dr. Hynes himself. That phone number is 816-942-5900 if you're interested. Thank you all for coming in today. Are you happy with your results? Are you
absolutely
ecstatic?
Oh, yes. I was excited. I couldn't even sleep last night just to come and tell about it.
Can I ask how old you are?
I'm 54.
And then how many treatments have you had so far?
Only 2.
And you can already see a difference?
Oh, yes.
How long does this last?
This lasts, basically, the improvement is forever, but we do recommend a touch-up perhaps once a year. and that way we can maintain the result indefinitely.
All right, Nan, Joyce, Dr. Hynes, thanks so much for coming in. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.
All right, coming up on Kansas City Live, it's a tough job market out there. With the right tools, you can beat your competition.
And which of these items